Hi everyone, welcome to Crafting with Lee. Today I'm going to make this adorable Easter wreath. These are the supplies I'm using today to make this wreath. I'm going to use 4 different kinds of ribbon, 21-inch teal Decomesh, and this adorable happy Easter sign. I'm going to start by adding pipe cleaners to my wire frame. I was able to fit 15. I'm using the poof method on this wreath. Each poof is 12 inches long. For a more detailed tutorial, click the link above. I'm cutting 15 12-inch strips of each kind of ribbon. Now I'm dovetailing the ends. I'm adding 4 pieces of ribbon into each section. I'm going to open the pipe cleaner, add the first 2, then do a half twist, then grab the other 2 and add those on top. Then I'm going to secure it by twisting 3 times. I'm going to roll them down using a glue stick. I'm going to continue to add ribbon to every pipe cleaner section. To start my bow, I'm adding this plaid ribbon for the tails. I'm doing 5.5-inch loops with the egg ribbon. The teal ribbon will be 5-inch loops. This is the leftover ribbon I had from cutting the 15 12-inch pieces. The loops on the burlap ribbon are 4.5 inches. The plaid ribbon that I used to make the tails, I cut a 12-inch piece to make a center loop. Twist the pipe cleaners tightly to secure the bow. Then dovetail the ends of the tails. To add the sign to my wreath, I need to add pipe cleaners to the back. I'm putting cardboard down so the staples don't go all the way through. Feed the pipe cleaners through to the back of the wreath and twist around the wire frame to secure. Do the same thing to add the bow. That's how I make my happy Easter wreath. Thanks for watching, and if you like my video, please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.